go and see my room. It's close to a sunset time. I slept like a log. Last night this bed was so comfortable. What a view, eh? To wake up to every morning. I have another window overlooking a garden. And the windows should be closed at all times because of the monkeys. Look at this warning on the door. There's quite a population of monkeys in here. Really nice size and the most beautiful views. Okay, bathroom. Kind of cozy, I like that. Look at this low ceiling. Oops. There is a mini bar, and the beer price is the same as if you order from the restaurant, so no difference here. It's like in Tuscany or something. So amazing, except they don't have so many lakes.